Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Codemaster Labs. In this video, we will solve a Stack Overflow question. If you are looking for a channel that provides easy to flow coding tutorials, you have come to right place. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you will never miss an update. If you have a question related to HTML, Bootstrap, PHP coordinator or jQuery, then comment below. I'll try to make a video. So in this video, we are going to see how to access the JSON properties in PHP. So without wasting time, let's get started. In this, the question was they want to access a JSON URL and variables are like first name and last name they need to access. We will access that in PHP. Let's write a function called accessJSON function and we will take that URL as a JSON URL. Then we will take the contents of that URL, the response of that URL in file get contents. We can also do it by using curl. Let's see if we get the value in get file get contents, then it's fine. Otherwise, we will go with the curl base. We need to decode the JSON response, whatever we have got. So once we get the JSON decoded value, we will check whether the decoded value is empty or not. So if it is empty, then we will try to use curl operation. Using that we will get the values. So I'll just copy that curl function from them and just I'll paste it out and I'll just modify the variables. So here you go. Once it is done, now we got the response as a JSON value and decoded value. So what we will do, we will check, we will get the first name whatever they have asked. So you need to understand the result is in our JSON. So JSON, to access an object, we need to click hyphen and then results. Then you can see there is a bracket. Bracket in a sense, it's an array. So array you need to take. Then it's again an object. In that object there is a name. In that name you will find again an object. That object was first. And in that same path we have last as well. So this is how to access your variables when you are using objects, JSON objects basically. Let me enter the first name and last name. Let me keep the last name in new line. I have added PR. Let me add first name to make it more simple to understand. Now it's time for testing. So I just reloaded the URL. You got the results. Whenever you reload the URL, you get a new user. So this is how you can use this API as well and also access the JSON properties. You need to understand the difference between an array and an objects, class objects. Yes. If you have understood in this video the details, please hit that like button and subscribe our channel. It really motivates us. Thank you for watching.